What do you think about your car?
Yeah.
What do you think about your car? Car man. Levin. That's your car. Is that your car? Yeah. You got the key? Yeah. Got the key to your car. Love that car.
Are you yeah.
Levin, go get in that car. Can you get in that car? Let's see. Shut the door. There you go. Shut your door. You like that car? Yeah. Woo. Yeah. What? You love that car? Levin, you love that car?
Every time we video him, he's got a huge full eye.
Yeah, that's alright. Look, car man.
He's so hot. Careful. You'll run
Oh, get in it now.